Hey guys, welcome to Hey Crafty Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful concrete magnet using a positive mold. Let's get started. Here we have cementol, water, and our mold. We're going to start by adding about 2 teaspoons of cementol. And maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon of water. We will slowly mix until we get a thick paste-like consistency and continue adding water as needed. The consistency we're looking for is something that will allow us to mix or to take our mixture and form it into a ball. I'm going to add a little bit more cementol because I overshot it on the water just a little bit. That's maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And I don't want to overshoot it the other way. So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. Now that we've got our mixture, we'll form it into a ball. And press on top of our mold, like so. And I want the back to be nice and flat so that when I go to attach my magnet, it'll have a nice flat surface. Okay, we're gonna come back as soon as this dries. It's been 48 hours, and you certainly don't have to wait that long. You can wait just a few hours. I just got sidetracked and wasn't able to come back to it till now. So here we go. Let's demold. I love that squishy sound. It's so satisfying. There we go. Our next step is going to be to decorate. So here I just have some cheap white acrylic paint. Just going to give it a nice little coat. Being intentionally imperfect.
I can't do nothing with you.
I've allowed my paint to dry, and I'm going to now add on my next layer with UV resin and some powdered pigment.
can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.
So here it is. After 2 coats of UV resin and 2 times under the lamp at 150 seconds each. And it doesn't feel tacky. If it does feel tacky, just give it a few more turns under the lamp and it'll harden up. All right, so let's attach the magnet. Got some of this E6000 glue. Works really well. Just gonna give it a really nice dab of that. Oh, it's coming out uncontrollably. Set my magnet as centered as I can right on top there, and you can kind of wiggle it around. Just press it down. We'll come back once that's dried and put our final finish on the rest of the magnet. For the final part, we will seal the piece using this Liquitex Professional Acrylic Medium High Gloss Varnish. I really like this stuff. It's super easy to use. It's beautiful. It's solid. And it's relatively affordable. You get a lot in this bottle. It goes a long way. So this is one of the things that I use when I don't necessarily want to use UV resin to coat something and I want something quick and easy to brush on. So here I have some poured into this little container, and I'll just brush this on all around. And you'll kind of see these imperfections fade away and melt in. I'm going to come in with a second layer. See how nice that looks, and all those little imperfections that we had are gone as they just kind of blended in. So I'm just going to add another layer and kind of make it look thicker and more glazy, if that's a word. So here it is, guys, our finished product. How pretty is that? I love the little pools that were created in here using our UV resin. I love the super shiny, hard outside that we were able to accomplish using the acrylic medium. Of course, I can go back and add more layers and make it thicker in some areas and thinner in other areas to make it look even more ceramic-y. But this is what I ended up with, and I absolutely love it. I will probably end up gifting this because I have more magnets than I can count. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if this is something that you want to try, and let me know how it turns out for you.